Hello, I'm CJ from Renzi Tutoring and Guitar, and I want to speak to you today about this thing called a capo. A lot of my students will look over at all my goodies and accessories in my studio and ask, what's this thing? Um, and although a lot of them like to think it's some kind of firearms, uh, it's actually a harmless guitar accessory, and this is how you use it. Let's say you have a song that sounds like this. You probably recognize the song because it's been around for like 30 years and it's very popular, but if you're thinking something's not quite right, you're right. I played it in the wrong key. But watch, you can use the capo to put it in the right key. I'm going to put the capo on the 3rd fret of the guitar, like so. And voila, you're hearing that song in the appropriate key, and now it sounds exactly like it's supposed to sound. So what I've done is I've just changed keys instantly by putting the capo on the right fret. If you don't have the capo to do that, you're stuck with chords that look like this. Oops. What would it be? There we go. Not impossible, but quite a bit more difficult without the capo. So it's a very handy guitar accessory to have around. And I highly recommend them. You can get a capo like this, or even a less expensive one like this, for $5-6 on Amazon. The music store is going to charge you at least double. But yeah, Amazon.com, $5-6. UGY guitar capo. All right, this is CJ saying goodbye from Renzi Tutoring and Guitar. Have a great day.